Hey guys, Marianne here. Today I'll be reviewing two products that has helped me in the course of my hair care journey. The last video I made, I talked about how bad my hair was and how much I suffered during the course of my hair care, and then I also talked about discovering a product that I started selling also. So I'm going to be reviewing two products that actually helped me through the course of my hair care journey, like the two major products that I really loved, that I saw that okay, this product really did good things for my hair. So the first one is the hair treatment. This hair treatment actually worked a lot of things for my hair. Firstly, it helped my scalp. Like, I don't know, it built, like, it repaired my scalp. It also helped my scalp to, like, it helped the hair in my scalp to grow out so well. And if there is one thing that I really love about this hair treatment oil, is that if you use it in the morning, and I mean like as early as, let's say 7, 8, throughout the day your hair will be so shiny. Like, even when there is dust or whatever, you do not even suffer. You don't suffer it because of this hair treatment oil. So during the course of my hair journey, I used this and I'm still using it. This really did wonders. Truthfully, it did a lot of work for my hair. And there's another thing again that I noticed during the period I use this hair treatment. If your hair is due, like your hair is due for you to loosen it, and there's this whitish stuff that you usually see whenever you lose your hair and all of that. While you're using this hair treatment oil, you will not experience it. I was amazed. I was completely amazed the period I was using this hair treatment oil, that I loosened my hair, and I discovered that I did not have any hair dust or hair dirt or whatever. No, my hair was shining, my hair was soft, my hair was beautiful. Oh my god. Sincerely, this hair treatment oil is like my favorite. I'm not even capping. It's my favorite, like the most favorite thing I love using. I might not use any other product I use for my hair, but you see this, I do not skip it. I use it every day. I don't skip it because it is wonderfully made. Yeah, this hair treatment is wonderfully made. So I recommend it for anyone that intends keeping it shining and rebuilding the scalp. If you want to keep your hair shining, if you want to rebuild your scalp, if you want to run away from dandruff, run away from lice, you see this will help you. This is like a game changer. Sincerely, this is a game changer. So the second product I want to review is that actually helped me in the course of my hair care journey is this 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. It actually helps me during the course of my hair care journey. I really have a stubborn hair. When I mean a stubborn hair, I mean that my hair is very strong. When I mean very strong, extremely strong. My hair is always dried. Like, I can loosen my hair right now, and the next minute I will not be able to comb it through. I will not be able. That is how hard my hair is. But while I was using this product, I did not suffer those things. Like, immediately I loosen my hair and I want to comb it out, I just apply it, and it softens my hair, it moisturizes it, and do you know what else it does? It detangles my hair. So it really helped me in the course of my hair care journey. And like I said, I have a favorite one, which is this hair treatment, but this is my second favorite. This is my second favorite hair treatment that I use during the course of my hair care journey. So I would actually recommend it for anyone that intend using it. Like, it's a game changer, sincerely. I don't even know the word to use. Well, you see these two products, they are game changers. They are things that you really need for your hair, that would help build your hair, help makes it shine, help moisturize. And if you are suffering from a lot of things, I would advise you go for hair treatment and leave-in conditioner, because sincerely it did wonders for my hair, and I am really glad I'm using these two products. So that is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you, and I love you. Bye.